I would like to ask you something. You will have to make your stories. Yeah, any type of you. If you want to tell, then you can tell. Would you like to speak?
Of course, I would like to tell about English. In this time, English is a very important to us because the English is increasing day by day, and this is the English is the one of the language is the global language in this time because English is the international language. You go in any foreign country, English is the very most important. If you want to study in this time, every subject is converted into English, and you want to go any you want to get any job and you want to go for any job, there is interview asked in English. So please, everybody need in this time speak English.
Wow, well done. Next, would you like to say something about your suggestion as like education? Would you like to tell?
Mobile is very important for every person because because in this time mobile is very important. You go anywhere, you don't know how to purchase anything, and you पर्स क्या बोलेंगे
Hmm?
पर्स पर्स
Purse, wallet.
wallet you left your wallet in at your home. You can buy easily in the Google Pay and Phone Pay. And secondly, I'm tell about Google. Is very important.
It is.
It is very important for every student. You know about any college. You go to Google and you search any college, and Google also tell many type of college you can
Search.
you can search. And after that, I'm saying YouTube.
Strina, please tell something about any type of ideas. If you want to tell, then you can tell. Check it. Don't fear. Carry on.
Something a little story. Once upon a time, I was going where somewhere. Uh, Later on, I saw my friend sitting here.
Yeah, my friend was sitting
My friend was sitting
on
uh,
there.
on there. So I'm so shocked because he was so sad.
He was sitting with sad.
He was sitting with sad. I'm going to tell something about my village. My village name is Khiratula Padana Kushinagar. There are many facilities available in my village, such as madrasa facilities, school facilities, road facilities, hospital facilities.
Now, would you like to tell something? Check it.
I would like to tell something about money.
Let's say,
Money is the most important of human life. If you have money, you can do anything, and you have money, you have not money, you can't do anything. And there are two type of money, uh, as coin money and
paper.
paper money. But some people say there are three type of money, as white money, red money, and black money. And suppose that you are doing something, you are purchasing something, and you have no money, you can't purchase anything.
Next, Mr. Others. Would you like to tell something?
When I entered in my class, I met to a student. He told to me, "What's your name?" Then I replied, "My name is Yadav Jaswal." He told to me, "Where are you from?" Then I replied to him, "I'm from Turkey." He asked me, "In which class do you study?" Then I replied, "I study in 12th." He asked me again, "Why have you come on here?" Then I replied, "I want to speak English." Then I asked to him, "Is this coaching good or not?" Then he replied to me, "Yes, this institute is very good for everyone because in this institute many types of students also teach the student, and the teachers also very good, and their teaching style is also very good, and they are very kind. And in institute, a poor student who has no money, sir give him knowledge free. So I think this institute is very good.
Wow, well done. Marvelous, quite well. Okay, would you like to tell something? Check it. No problem. I know you are new to here, but you try to speak. Check it.
My name is Geeta Chauhan. My family member 5 person, one brother, one sister, and mother life maker and housemaker.
My education कहाँ तक पढ़ी?
My education, uh, 11th done.
Okay, nice. Okay, whatever you try, it is the best for you because whatever you try to speak, that is also better for you. Okay, next, would you like to tell something?
Now I'm gonna to tell something about my old school. My school name was Puro
रुक
Madhyamik
जाए 2
Vidyalaya
मिनट.
Jangal Duwatha, Dudhaipur, Srinagar. My school head surname was Muhammad Naseem Ansari. There was many facilities in my school.
Okay, well done. And next, would you like to say something? Stand up, please. Check it.
Now I am tell something about my Dudai
Now
town.
I'm going to tell something.
Now I am going tell something about Dudai topic.
Hmm.
There are so many facility available in Dudai town. The road facilities,
Hmm.
railway station facilities, medical shop facilities, education facilities, and etc. etc. But I like education point facilities. There are there are many types of school available in my Dudai town. Government school and private school, but I like government school. There are many facilities available in government school, uh, water facilities and park facilities and field facilities and high educated teacher available in government school.
Stand up, please. Would you like to tell something?
Why not?
Check it.
I am going to tell about education. Education is a very necessary thing in the modern times of India because everyone have to be literate uh, for doing a good job and earning better money for his survival of life. So everyone is needed to take better education and get better jobs for earning a good money and spending a happy life with their family. Thank you.
As well. Okay, whatever they have also whatever they have a knowledge, they try to speak on the here. Okay, nice to all. एंड अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्द से सब्सक्राइब करें. यहाँ पे आप लोग भी जानते हैं कि सीखने के लिए सब लोग आए हैं और ये स्टूडेंट मतलब कि स्टूडेंट का मतलब यही होता है कि मिस्टेक. सबसे पहले मिस्टेक ही होता है, गलत या सही जब तक हम ट्राई नहीं करेंगे तब तक बेहतर हो ही नहीं सकता. अगर हम पढ़े लिखे होते तो हम यहाँ पे स्कूल कोचिंग क्यों बना है? क्योंकि सीखने के लिए. और जब हम यहाँ पे मिस्टेक करेंगे तो यह हमारे लिए बेहतर होगा क्योंकि हम जानते हैं कि मिस्टेक्स आर पेनफुल. गलतियां दर्दनाक होती है व्हेन दे हैपन एंड इयर्स लेटर वी कलेक्ट आवर मिस्टेक. जब कुछ दिनों बाद हम अपने मिस्टेक को कलेक्ट करते हैं तो वो हमारे लिए एक सक्सेस का एक पॉइंट बनता है क्योंकि जब तक हम मिस्टेक नहीं करेंगे तो सीखने का कोई ऐसा पॉइंट मिलेगा ही नहीं. तो आप लोग ट्राई किए, बहुत अच्छा लगा हमें कि जो कुछ भी जिसके पास है जितना आप सीख रहे हैं उतना आप एक दूसरे के सामने शो करें कि ताकि हमारे अंदर नॉलेज से जरूरी होता है कॉन्फिडेंस और विदाउट कॉन्फिडेंस दैट इज इम्पॉस पॉसिबल फॉर द स्पीकिंग. तो मैं आपको यह आइडियाज दे रहा हूं कि सबसे पहले आप बेझिझक बोलने की कोशिश कीजिए. आज का बस यही तक. और अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें कि ताकि हमारे वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंचे.